So after many arguments with the painters, they finally agreed to paint my house white with black trim. It's so much cleaner looking. I can't even stress how much better it looks. I'll show you guys full before and afters eventually. But let's head inside. Hi, pups. Hi, guys. Okay. Home sweet home. So this is the entryway. Still like, you know, work in progress. Yes, Lila, we love you. Yes, yes. I mean, this is just like the happiest part of my life. Okay. Anyways, so entryway. Right off the entryway, you've got this room, which is our TV room. And basically what we did in here was whitewash the walls, as well as the beams. Why is it not focusing? There we go. We changed the light fixture. We kept the shiplap on the back wall. I really liked it. I didn't want to get rid of it entirely, but the walls on the side were completely destroyed. So we had to take it all off, do new drywall, and there's still cords that need to be tucked. We're still waiting to put the hardware on here. But here is the built-in situation after we had them whitewashed, aka sprayed with lacquer. And we added some doors, as you can see, to the bottom shelf because I didn't want all that exposed. We also ended up removing the side speakers, thank God, adding doors to those. And then my sides are just like for fun, for decor and stuff. If you go inside any of these shelves, like we didn't really spend the money on making the insides look fabulous. Like we kind of kept it, you know, raw, exposed, whatever, but we added some shelves so we can, you know, throw in our DVDs and things. And then same with down here. We didn't really like want to spend the money to make this look perfect. So we just added some new shelving and, you know, all our things like games and photo albums and stuff are in here. And I have hardware that has actually just arrived. So I haven't decided what I want to do with artwork on the walls yet. The couch needs pillows desperately. And back here, we've got this like completely open space that I intend to use for like baby toys when the time comes when she needs place to like play, because we don't want that stuff all over the house. So the entry is very, very simple. I just kept the bench here, the mirror. Hi, by the way, 5 months pregnant today. I mean, not today, but like, actually tomorrow I'm gonna be 21 weeks and I'm super sunburned if you can't tell. If you head down this hallway, which over here I'm thinking of putting like row of black and white images from the wedding, since this is like the longest wall on earth. So something will go there. You come into our sitting room, which is this space. A lot of people have asked me about that light fixture. The people that lived here before us had that, like they made it. And so I haven't found a light fixture that doesn't hang so low that you hit your head. So for now, it's there. Our couch from Living Spaces, it's the Haven and the Caitlin Flax. I've received so many inquiries about it. I absolutely love it. It's like the Restoration Cloud knockoff. It's comfy, it's pretty, I'm obsessed. My rug, which is from the Rose Bowl Flea Market, that's that. And the coffee table's Restoration Hardware, which I'm gonna be swapping out for a rectangle since this is kind of small. This is the fireplace. We have officially gotten to the point where we're almost done. They drywalled, we've painted, we've had the hearth installed, we have this really beautiful marble slab underneath this green paper. It's really pretty. It's not like a traditional like gray marble. It's like a white with a little bit of brown. And then the fireplace on the inside is gonna get painted black. So it's just gonna be really nice and simple. And now I'm noticing that it needs to be repainted. Kind of looks like it needs another coat. Okay, and then off the sitting room is our kitchen. Sorry, I didn't like clean up at all. I figured this is like the progress video, so we don't need to like hide. We can just show you like life in the middle of progress, and then the after, I'll make sure it looks so perfect that no one lives here. It's like a show house. Yeah, we had pizza for dinner. Okay, so last you saw, everything was blue. We changed out the hardware on the counter, on the cabinets to matte black. We changed the faucet. We had all the cabinets sprayed just like a stark white so it's nice and clean. All the wood paneling that was like on the side here and on the backsplash has been removed. And we just have nice, clean drywall everywhere, and I just feel so much better about this space now. I also changed out the pendants, which made a huge difference. Over here, we've got the dining room, which is basically like a done room. Ignore the pink couch that doesn't fit in my office. It has to be picked up from Urban, and it's gonna take 2 weeks, so that's where it's gonna live for 2 weeks. I kept the light fixture that the previous owners had. I liked it, and they felt like it was a little different. My table here from the Roseville Flea Market and my rug, which is from Rug and Weave, all came from the last house. I didn't really update anything in here. My llamas are still hanging. Those lights were there. I don't love them, but I also don't feel like dealing with it, so that's where they'll be for now. And here is the laundry room. So in here, let me see if I can back up a little. Very messy. My dad built me this little shelving unit. He had to break that last piece off to actually fit it into the space, so he still has to finish this. It's driving me crazy. But I had the countertops installed over the washing machines, so now I have like a little folding space, which I really only use to fold like those rags in there or towels. But we're gonna do a backsplash. I haven't figured out what tile I wanna use yet, so I'm just kind of holding off until I have an opportunity to do some research. But this is progress so far. It's actually pretty embarrassing that my office still looks like this. So basically the couch is supposed to go here. We're supposed to have like this really cute setup, but it's challenging when nothing fits to the door. Kenzie sits there and I sit there, and this coffee table has to go. It's too big and I just haven't figured out what to do with it yet. But in this space over here, we are having these built-ins made. So this whole space over here will be like beauty products and goodies that come through, so I can actually see what I have and then, you know, try them and use them for giveaways. Right now that's our system, and it's just not working out. Like everything is overflowing and it's hard to see and find things, so we're working on a new system. So down this hallway, we've got the guest room, which literally nothing has been done, the bathroom, which nothing has been done, and the baby's room, which nothing has been done. But I will show you the crib, because why not, right? So our crib is here. That's literally as far as we've gone. Closet is full of cute goodies, but otherwise we really have nothing. We have to get moving on the space pretty soon. So take you down to our bedroom, which comes through here. There's no progress in the bathroom still. We're in the process of figuring out what exactly we want to do. It's pretty messy, but we did redo our closet and it's not completely done yet. Basically, we had this like little drawer situation built in, as well as the shoe rack, which we're gonna have mirrored doors that kind of like pull out, not slide. So that way we can have like mirrors in our closet and also just conceal the mess. I don't really like the look of that. And then on this side, I just got home from a trip, so please don't mind the mess. I almost stepped on you. So this is what our closet ended up looking like. Everything has a space now. We got plenty of hanging space, long and short and medium. The closet before was just such a nightmare, and this drives me crazy. Like, come on, Paul. Ugh. We've got like this whole situation, which we just basically had a ton of shelving put in, but this isn't like the most attractive looking situation. So I wanted doors on this because, yeah, see, this is like how I would present my stuff. Like, it's pretty organized, but then you get to right around here and suddenly you don't know what's going on. So doors were very, very necessary. Okay, and then off the closet, you have our bedroom, which, do you love my pregnancy pillow? Our bed frame came. It's still very wrinkled. They told me that eventually that's going to start flattening out, but it's been like a week or two and it hasn't, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to pull out my steamer. I'm waiting on my new bedding and pillow situation. That's not quite what it's going to look like. I had our side tables made, which I love, and I've got some sconces coming for either side of the bed. Nothing really exciting in the bedroom. We did have some shades put in. We used good old Home Depot for those. Just like a clean white linen. And outside we've got this whole project happening. Actually, not happening, but planned. There's gonna be really pretty tile going in out here and landscaping and grass and all sorts of things. So until I really have like more to show, I'm not gonna even go outside because it's just like messy. But that's the kitchen, by the way. We did fit a little couch in here, which I need to style with pillows. I need artwork. There's a shade right there. I need new lights. Up here above the beams, there's like this landing, and the previous owners put a lamp up there that hooks up to the light fixture. So when you come in, you just hit the light and that's kind of your light, since there's no light in here. Not like my favorite, but it gets the job done. Well, that's it, guys. I hope to have like a more finished product to show you sometime soon. I will keep you posted, and until then, I'm gonna go play with Lila. Bye, guys.